National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extreme northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, central Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from 4 miles southeast of Luther to 3 miles west of Spencer to 4 miles east of Mustang, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazards in the warning include half-dollar size hail, damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Midwest City, Dell City, Choctaw, Spencer, Jones, Nakoma Park, Wellston, Luther, Warwick, Tinker Air Force Base, Forest Park, Valley Brook, and Lake Luma. Move inside a sturdy building until the storm has passed.
Oh gosh.
A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for western Garvin, northeastern Stevens, and extreme southeastern Grady counties. At 3:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists continued to detect a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 7 miles west of Foster, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Lincoln, southeastern Oklahoma, and extreme northwestern Pottawatomie counties. At 3:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a thunderstorm with a history of producing tornadoes was located near Hara, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. In addition to a tornado, large damaging hail up to 2 inches in diameter is expected with this storm. Locations impacted include McLeod. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows.
Oh gosh.
The tornado warning for extreme northeastern Cleveland County is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of this area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A tornado warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for western Garvin, northeastern Stevens, and extreme southeastern Grady counties. At 3:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists continued to detect a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 8 miles east of Grady, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. In addition to a tornado, large destructive hail up to baseball size is expected with this storm. Locations impacted include Foster. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows. The tornado may be environment and very difficult to see. Do not wait. Take cover now.